front foot.
I try to keep a diary to let it out away from him.
Well, he's not going to die wandering, is he? He's in the slot and he's
I should have learned your memory. Instead I let it
Anything
bring
tentative
him.
about that shot. It was full,
You
maybe a
see,
little bit too full. And credit to the
watching
fact
the
that
moon,
the
I
shot
feel it's painting, but calling side. Eating my soul, you shattering. I love you, boy. You are missing so hard to wipe out from me. That from now on,
and his paddles ran away, and that's also gone for two back-to-back. Next straight ball.
well played. Maybe he could have looked at the ball a little bit longer.
Lifted that over the top. That is a shot oozing with confidence. That is a tremendous shot for a maximum, and it's a rocket six.
Yeah, wonderful decision making, hitting with the turn. Just caressed it, timed it all the way for six. Wonderful strike there. In that low off position, it was a little bit wide, but that was comfortably open. Down to the net.
it's been a while since you and me have shared a real memory.
17 in that over.
You
Bangladesh,
see,
60 without loss.
I feel that need quietly to have you here close to me.
That's the last one.
Maybe
Off the pitch of the ball, we don't in the center.
watching the moon, I feel it's painting, but calling side. Eating my soul, you shattering. I love you, boy.
Once again,
You are missing so hard to wipe out from me. That from now on, you're all gone.
rocket ball. Watching the ball in the last moment and making sure that Cypher played the ball that is close, that's given straight away. Cypher goes up there, that was Mikey.
All I remember, cold like December. She cries in the surface, still waiting for him to call her. But she should have noticed it was only August. The call she felt wasn't from the weather, was from his poison.
Brilliant from the young man. Excellent hit down the ground.
I try to keep a diary to let it out away from him. Maybe
Absolutely brilliant batting.
I should have learned your memory. Instead I let it bring him.
Catching is the call, but if you go over the fielder's head, as Cypher
Watching the moon, I feel it's painting, but calling side. Eating my soul, you shattering. I love you, boy.
109 without loss.
You are missing so hard to wipe out from me. That from now on, you see?
Ball with the sweep.
I feel that need quietly to have you here close to me.
Has been the secret of success.
Maybe watching the moon, I feel it's painting, but cold inside. Eating my soul, you shattering. I love you, boy. You are my sin so hard to wipe out. Promise that from now on, you're all gone.
Look at this strike. Area we can get underneath the ball. Full forward to the left. Swing on the match. Sweet timing. And an off swing. Fantastic. And really on the certainly the shot, but lucky that it just went over the top and just managed to reach the ball. Let's suspend that once again.
A bit of for the benefit of the last with probably carried.
All I remember, cold like December. She cries in the surface, chill waiting for him to call her. But she should have noticed it was only August. The call she felt wasn't from the
There
west.
is a fielder lining up and he's got him. At last, some respite for the West Indies. Roston Chase inducing Saif Hassan to go for the slog sweep. Doesn't make the requisite contact and the first wicket goes down.
It's a rocket out for Bangladesh. The option was right. Was turning back into the right hand, but that occasion the timing wasn't there since the bat actually turned in the hands of Saif Hassan. Not before an excellent contribution. A power pack knock of 80 of 72 comes to an end by Saif. 176 for 1.